Hi friends, this is Rishi Jagmohan Singh. I've come with a very interesting incident and a question to you. Few days back, around lockdown when it started, one of my friends, say Ramesh, he contacted me and he was very upset. What has happened was that one of the key customers had really blasted him and told him not to contact him again. When I inquired in detail, he told me that he had just forwarded some promotional message which his marketing team had told him to execute, and he had just executed it. So he was pretty upset that customer had told me don't send messages, don't send text, don't contact me till the time I tell you. Now, what should he do? I ask this question to you. You can answer in the comment section. This is a pretty dilemma, particularly in the lockdown condition, under the COVID conditions, how to engage the customers in a virtual manner. This is one dilemma which is, impacting all the corporates, all the organizations who are dealing with the customer service. So, friends, I've mentioned a lot of such case studies and the solutions, so-called solutions to this problem in my recently launched book, Aaj with Digital Dinosaur. And some of the tips which I'm going to give you are from that only. So I'm going to give you some particular tips which will be helpful to us, especially in this pandemic situation. Number one tip, my dear friend, is that we have to focus on the content which we are sending to the customers. It should be emotive, it should be logical, it should be relevant, and that content has to be talking in such a manner that we are supposed to be partners in this cause, and that is where it will help us. Number two tip, my dear friend, is that the marketeers have to upgrade themselves and to go beyond IDA principles and think in a digital manner how they can engage the customers for a longer period of time in a consistent manner. Today only I have just completed a webinar for the doctors, around 500 doctors, how to do a digital marketing to serve their patients in this scenario through teleconsulting or in a virtual manner. So that is what exactly happens, that we have to use the digital media and at the same time upgrade our skills also. Number three tip, my dear friend, is do we have to upskill and give knowledge to our business development teams also. So once we tell them that what to do, they will definitely execute it, and they should have a customer empathy, and that's what we have to teach them also. In fact, I am surprised that many of the customers, they're demanding webinars. In fact, recently there was a webinar which was for 2000 customers, and that topic was very relevant. So we have to understand from that particular perspective. Number four tip is to invest in technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning. This will give us insights about the customers, about the market, the trends, and all those things. This is an ongoing journey, my dear friends, and we have to continuously upgrade ourselves to avoid ourselves becoming dinosaurs. For more such stories, please keep on listening to my videos. Until then, live life, balle balle, and be safe, friends.